All right. Let's get going down the path. No, you could if you want. It's,
no way.
yeah, she's kind of sketchy.
Where do we go down?
Keep going.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Quite a bit.
Oh yeah. They descend quite fast. There's a lot of roots. Oh, okay, this is better. Yeah. At least there's trees that you can hold on to. No, no, no.
You'll be doing the splits. Hey, you'll be able to hit that high note.
I was just gonna say that. Ah! Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. That's why I had it up.
All right, we're here.
Yeah.
Let's fish.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, he's gone. That was a fish, dude.
Yeah, definitely taking off that 7. Yeah, I'm gonna put on a bigger float. Yeah, nice. Coming with the net. I'm gonna crush the bag too. I think it's mine.
Hey. Simmer down. Simmer. Stop moving. Thank you. This little one start the morning?
No, not bad at all. See the release. Whoa. And she gone.
Boy,
nice,
we're on
buddy.
meat.
Yes, we are.
Well, I like the rod.
Yeah.
It's a big long, eh?
Saw fish today. No, exactly. No wind or anything. All right, guys. Took a jaunt down the side of the riverbank. And I think we're at the spot we want to be.
Yeah, the drift here is way out in the middle.
Yeah.
But not to say they're not sitting on the inside.
No, exactly. That's the thing. You never know where they are.
I don't know how many times I've done that in Delhi. No fish. Try the inside. Wham.
Yep. Oh, yeah. Right there in the moneymaker.
I fucking doubt it. Oh.
That was a takedown. That was a takedown.
You seen that, eh?
I saw
It
that.
just went bonk. It like kind of just stopped.
It stopped and then went, and it was going down. Yeah, I'm coming. Right out in the middle?
Literally just slap dab in right on the other side of that rock.
There you are. Ooh.
Rolling?
A little bit, yeah. Oh, rolling, yeah. Yep. Rolling.
I thought it was on rock at first.
Oh. Up, yep. There you go.
A better one?
Oh yeah.
Not a hog by any means, but it's a fish, bro.
It's a fish, man. Ooh. There we go. Oh, wait. She going home.
The water is chilly.
Oh yeah.
It felt twice this size when I said that.
It's still fish, man. It's good fish. Yeah, I'm gonna see everybody start coming to this side now. Yeah, buddy. On the board.
We're almost at our ice fishing total here, folks. And haven't been fishing anywhere near as long.
No, exactly. There he goes, better. Fuck, I want to get a fish. There's a rock there. There's something there. Couple beads. You're on? Oh shit. Oh, we're on another fish, guys. No, that's a nice hand, man.
Bigger than the last one?
Oh, yeah. I think so. I wouldn't give the boots to her yet.
No, she's still fresh.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Nice. Oh. She don't like to see me.
Here in camouflage, look like a tree.
I know.
Look like a tree with a net.
Come on.
She knows.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, she doesn't want to come up yet. Oh, she's fresh, man.
Oh, is he on? Oh, no.
No.
Snag. Bottom.
Nope.
Huh?
Yep. Oh, he's just friggin' dogging you. He's dogging. Oh, that's a nice buck. He does not want to come up yet.
What?
He does not want to come up yet. He's using those rapids to his advantage. Yeah.
Okay, he's got it.
Nope. saw the net and he's like, whoosh. No, I'm good. Come on. Bring in that net. He's bigger. Definitely. He's bigger. There you go. Yeah. It's nice, buddy.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm just re-rigging now.
Let's grab our stuff and move up here. See where the ice shelf comes out?
Yeah.
They're standing on that. Right out in the middle. Right out front.
Okay. Ugh.
Well, we'll start with one.
Well, yeah, it won't be nice.
One would be crazy. No one's catching anything.
You are.
You know what, dude? Last time I was here, that was the same thing, same scenario. We were down at the trailer park.
Mm-hmm.
We seen. Well, no, the three of us had the whole corner. Kind of blocked it off, and between the three of us we got 6, and I got 3. Carl only got 1, and his buddy only got 1.
It's not bad. Hey everyone, I'm doing a quick voiceover since my GoPro mics decided to die. Cody has been walking down the bank chasing this fish for about 4 minutes. He finally gets him to commit to one spot, and fight goes on for another 2 to 3 minutes before he nets him. I'm going to speed this clip up so you guys can see everything as well as see the fish. I'm going to put a photo up so you can see how big he is.
Yeah? Atta boy. I'm coming. I'm trying to freaking reel. man, fish to fish. Right on the inside, eh? Maybe I'll take a few more drifts before I retie.